Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is harass. It is pronounced harass and is spelt Harass. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Harass is a verb that means to subject to aggressive pressure or intimidation. It is often used to describe repeated bothering or annoying of someone, or causing them distress through unwelcome actions or words. For example, you could say the bullies harassed the new student by calling him names and pushing him around. Or the paparazzi harassed the celebrity by constantly taking photos. The word harassed comes from a Middle French word harasser, meaning to set a dog on. In the classic story of the Three Little Pigs, the big bad wolf harasses the pigs by repeatedly trying to blow down their houses and eat them. Synonyms for harass include bother, pester, annoy, torment, and persecute. Antonyms for harass include soothe, comfort, leave alone, and protect. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, harass. Have a top day ahead and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.